In 1969, the world looked up, and humanity reached the moon. But what if we told you the moon landing was closer than you think, not just in distance, but in meaning, in mindset, and in what it taught us about what humans can actually do? The moon is only about 238,855 miles away, that's it. In space terms, it's basically next door. At highway speeds, you could drive to the moon in under 6 months. A Boeing 747 would get you there in about 2 weeks. It's the only celestial body where humans have set foot. Not because it was easy, but because it was reachable. That closeness made it the perfect first step in space, and a giant leap in how we saw ourselves. Here's the real twist. The moon landing wasn't powered by supercomputers or aliens. It was humans, engineers, mathematicians, pilots, many in their 20s. Margaret Hamilton literally wrote the code with her hands, on paper. That code saved Apollo 11 from aborting mid-landing. Most of the world watched on TVs with worse tech than your smartwatch. And yet, they did it, with slide rules, grit, and pure obsession. When Apollo 11 looked back and captured Earth from the moon, it changed everything. It showed us how small, fragile, and united we really are. Just one glowing marble in an infinite dark sea. Suddenly, humanity had context, perspective, purpose. The moon wasn't just a destination, it was a mirror. No moon landing, no International Space Station, no GPS, no cell phones, no weather satellites. The tech developed during Apollo shaped everything from computer processors to fireproof materials. It also inspired millions of kids to become scientists, engineers, dreamers, including you maybe. So yeah, the moon was close, closer than we imagined, closer than we still realize. It showed us what we're capable of when we aim higher, and now we're going back with Artemis, and beyond that, Mars, the stars, maybe even new worlds. If we made it to the moon with 1960s tech and 1960s coffee, imagine what we can do now. This is just the beginning. Follow at lightleaplabs, where curiosity ignites innovation.